Welcome to the New America ASU Coronavirus Weekly Brief. I'm your host, David Sterman. Here's what you need to know. There have been more than 25.1 million coronavirus cases in the United States, and 419,225 people have died, according to data from Johns Hopkins. The United States has distributed 41.4 million vaccine doses, with 18.5 million people initiating their vaccination, according to the CDC. Worldwide, there have been 99.2 million confirmed cases of coronavirus, with 2,130,995 deaths. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have released new data on anaphylactic reactions to the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. As with the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, anaphylaxis or severe allergic reactions are rare among Moderna COVID-19 vaccine recipients. As of January 19, there have been 15 cases of anaphylaxis due to the Moderna vaccine, about 2.1 per million, and 45 cases of anaphylaxis due to the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, about 6.2 per million. Those who exhibited severe allergic reactions were treated with epinephrine, and no anaphylaxis-associated deaths have been reported by either vaccine. Earlier this month, Pfizer updated its label to specify that 6 doses of the vaccine, not 5, could be obtained from each vial. Now the drug developer will count the extra dose towards its commitment to distribute 200 million doses to the United States, saying that the contract specified doses rather than vials. However, it is only possible to draw a 6th dose using low dead volume syringes, which are not available to all providers. Medical supplies company McKesson has contracted with the federal government to work on distributing compatible syringes. In the meantime, however, some hospitals are being forced to toss the extra dose, and there is concern that fewer people will receive the vaccine in the short term as a result. Mexican President Andres Manuel López Obrador announced Sunday that he has a light case of COVID-19. In a Sunday night tweet, Obrador said that he is currently undergoing treatment for mild symptoms of the virus. Quote, "As always, I am optimistic we will all move forward," said Obrador, who has maintained a busy travel schedule throughout the country in recent days and has resisted mask wearing. Mexico, which has the world's 4th highest death toll, is currently undergoing a surge in infections, with the official death toll expected to surpass 150,000 people today. Clark County, Nevada, home to Las Vegas, has reopened its schools in part as a response to evidence of surging teen suicide rates, according to the New York Times. The Times reports, quote, "The reminders of pandemic-driven suffering among students in Clark County, Nevada, have come in droves. Since schools shut their doors in March, an early warning system that monitors students' mental health episodes has sent more than 3,100 alerts to district officials, raising alarms about suicidal thoughts, possible self-harm, or cries for care. By December, 18 students had taken their own lives." According to the Times, quote, "The spate of student suicides in and around Las Vegas has pushed the Clark County District, the nation's 5th largest, towards bringing students back as quickly as possible. This month, the school board gave the green light to phase in the return of some elementary school grades and groups of struggling students, even as Greater Las Vegas continues to post huge numbers of coronavirus cases and deaths." To see our daily brief, go to the address in our show notes and follow us on Twitter @NewAmericaISP. The Coronavirus Weekly Brief was produced by Shannon Lynch and Jason Stewart and was edited by Shannon Lynch. This podcast is brought to you by New America and Arizona State University.